Hey guys, it's Amy, and guess what came in today? Yay, the Jeffree Star Mystery box. This is I believe it was the deluxe. It's the large one. I already cut it. I haven't even opened it yet. I decided to go ahead and open it on camera. I don't know what's in it, and I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and open it. Oh, I'm so excited. Beautiful pink wrapping. I love. We'll save that for my daughter's birthday coming up. All right, so the first thing that I do want to go ahead and just pull out is a Jeffree Star shirt. Now, I got the size medium. Oh, it's so soft. And yeah, it's big. Well, actually, you know what? It's not too shabby. So it has the Jeffree Star logo on the front and hi, how are ya? On the back. Super cute. I love it. I'm going to be wearing it to work tomorrow. And then next we do have a pop socket. It is orange and gorgeous, which is perfectly good because I need a new one. And then we also did get a Jeffree Star straw. Ooh, and it's pink. Hello, you guys are on Pink Amy's channel. Of course, I'm going to be excited about a pink straw. Okay, let's see. Up next, we did get a velour lip scrub. I got the flavor Rainbow Sherbet. Let's see what the container looks like. Oh, that is so cute. Look at that. Yay. Okay. And then let's see. We're going to do that one last because that one was the mystery. We have a velour liquid lipstick in the shade Poinsettia. I don't know. Oh, that is a really pretty red glitter shade. That'll be perfect for Christmas. Go ahead and give you guys a swatch right there. You guys, this is my first official swatch. What is wrong with me? There it is right there. That is a beautiful shade. It has little specks of glitter in it. I love it. That is so cute. Up next, we have Celebrity Skin. Yay, you know what's so exciting about this? Okay, so I'm nude. I have fully nude. And now I have Celebrity Skin, which is like another nude. Like when I got I'm nude, I couldn't decide if I wanted I'm nude or Celebrity Skin. So this is what it looks like right here. Just another really pretty nude color right there. Oh, it's gorgeous. So there is Celebrity Skin right there. Super excited about that one right there. Next we have another velour liquid lipstick in the shade Diva. It's pink. It is pink. Oh my God, you guys, look how cute that is. Oh, here we go. I am obsessed with that color. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Yes, that is so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Okay, so the next thing that we have is a velour lip liner in the shade Androgony. Yeah, I have no idea how to read that, y'all. Forgive me. And if I can even get it out of the package, it's kind of, there we go. All right, I love his lip liners. I wanted to buy one, but I didn't. But look how cute that is. It's going to go so cute next to this. Oh, all of these together. I need to rearrange my little twirly thing. And this shade looks like that. Ooh, that'll go so pretty. It's right there. That'll go so pretty, like as a darker shade for the celebrity skin shade. Yes. Okay, and then let's see here. Two more things. Let's see. So we have a Supreme Frost in Money Honey. Let's see what that looks like. My other Supreme Frost that I got is in Diamond Wet, and I absolutely love that. Oh boy. You guys, it is green. See if I can get a swatch. Oh, well, can you guys see that? It's right there. Oh, that is so pretty. Actually, like I'm over here judging, like thinking it's going to be green. Oh, wow, that is really pretty, actually. Can you guys see that? So cute. What I do is like, I'll do like my regular Becca highlight, and then I will take Diamond Wet and like dot it at the high points. And I always, if I'm doing glitter eyeshadow, I always use it as an eye topper. Like that is so gorgeous as an eye topper, you guys. And it looks like the last thing in the box is the mystery shade. So let's go ahead and take a peek at that. Like it's legit called mystery. It has a question mark on it. I forgot to shake the other ones, but they do say shake well. Oh, and this is another pink. Yes. Oh, wow. That shade right there, you guys, is gorgeous. Right there. Oh boy, so there is all of these swatches right there. Oh, wow. That mystery shade is gorgeous. And then including that one right there, that was the highlighter we got. Look at those shades though, you guys. Yes, I'm gonna, this one, and this one is gonna get so much use. Oh, yay! Definitely worth the money spent. I am so beyond excited. I wish I could have gotten more boxes, but you know, bills and children come first. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much. If you enjoyed it, give it a big old thumbs up. And yeah, I love you guys. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos in the future. Bye!